Let us now create a sectional view in Siemens NX. First, I'll make some space for the sectional view. Next, in the Home tab, go to the Section View. In this icon, you have different options like select existing or dynamic. Since it's a new one, let us go with dynamic. We have to specify the location of the section. I'm going to position the section where I want it. So I will select this area. In this view, we can take any angle we want. So let us take it in this vertical direction. So once the sectional view is created, you can move it. I'm going to delete this detail view to show you the sectional view. In order to delete a view, select the view and click on delete. So as you can see, the sectional view, that is section BB, has been created. We can double click on the annotation to change the height factor. So you can see it has been changed.